I know, right?
Hey, that's a smart thing. I like that.
Yeah. Yep, thanks. Jesus, get off the fucking phone. Really don't like sucking on fucking fumes. Bro, come on. What the hell is that about, bro? Are you gonna just drive through here slow? Come on, man. So what was that for?
On your helmet, a GoPro?
Yeah. Got to.
Yeah.
It's good for my YouTube channel too.
There you go.
Yeah, right? Yeah, in this day and age, you gotta be careful, man. You know?
Yeah.
Have a good one. Look, everybody, it's a Mustang Mach-E. That thing looks dumb as fuck. And he's ripping it away from me now, of course. You can't run from the grom. Woo! Smoking! Hey, turn signal off. Well, that thing is fucking ugly, everybody. That that Mach-E is ugly. That shouldn't exist. That's awful. That is absolutely awful. It reminds me, you know what? That looks worse. That looks worse than a Toyota Prius. I hate to say it. The most insulting part is the fucking Mustang on the back side of that thing. It ain't no pony. That's disgusting. Sorry. It's horrific.
Is that street legal?
Hell yeah! It's a 2022 Grom.
What the hell?
Isn't this the greatest thing ever?
I've seen a couple of guys zipping by. I'm like, no way. There's no way these are legal.
Yeah.
How fast can you go?
55.
So,
But I'm working on upgrading the gearing. I'm going to change the gearing out. I'm hoping to go a little bit faster.
you are killing me. That is, as soon as I saw you zip by, I was like, okay.
I have a YouTube channel.
Really?
I shit you not. I have a YouTube channel.
Why not?
Check it out, man.
You are rocking it. All right.
So,
Excellent.
hell yeah, I do mods, all sorts of stuff.
All right, brother. I'll check it out.
All right, man.
Go ahead. I want to watch you.
All right.
Be careful.
All right, see ya.
I'm looking for you.
Yeah. Hey Dale, Iceman50 here. So we're at the post office, right? And let's get the backpack off, and we'll get your washers sent out to you. All right? Here we go. Okay, hasta la vista, baby. So you can see I'm riding the grom. Oh. All right, let's get out of here. Man, I just had cops following me. Well, maybe not following me, but it seemed pretty sus. So we'll get back to the crib here. All right, buddy. We'll talk to you. Easy.